Are you searching for the best dashcam to keep your car safe? In this video, we'll share the top 5 best dashcams with excellent video quality, reliability, and smart features. When choosing a dashcam, focus on full HD or 4K resolution, a wide-angle lens, night vision, loop recording, GPS, and Wi-Fi connectivity. These features ensure clear footage, 24/7 protection, and peace of mind on the road. Stay tuned to find the perfect dashcam for your needs and budget. The 5th product on our list is the VIOFO A229 Plus Dual Dashcam. The A229 Plus is the first dashcam to feature dual Sony Star VIVE-IS 2IMX 675 sensors, delivering stunning clarity for both front and rear footage, even at night. Whether you're driving through city streets or highways, you can count on sharp, detailed recordings. It supports dual 1440p HDR recording, captures license plates with stunning clarity, and even offers hands-free voice control, quad-mode GPS, and ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for instant sharing. Plus, its 24/7 parking mode ensures round-the-clock protection. Up next in 4th place is the ROVE R24K Dual Dashcam. It delivers 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080 pixels rear recording, with wide-angle coverage for both front and back. Powered by the Sony Star VIVE-IS 2 and large f1.5/f1.8 apertures, it reduces noise and provides super night vision, capturing sharp and bright footage even in low light. With dual-band 5G Wi-Fi, you can instantly download and share videos to your phone at lightning speed using the ROVE app. Plus, its built-in GPS records your speed, routes, and location for added security. Packed with advanced features like a free 128GB SD card, loop recording, G-sensor, and 24/7 parking mode. This dashcam ensures peace of mind on and off the road. The ROVE R24K is a budget-friendly dashcam that combines clarity, reliability, and protection. This dual dashcam is a bestseller, boasting over 6,700 customer reviews and a strong reputation for reliability. The 3rd product on our list is the REDTIGER 4K Dashcam. This dual-channel dashcam records in 4K Ultra HD on the front with a Star VIVE-IS 2 sensor and 170 degrees wide-angle lens, while the rear captures in crisp 1080 pixels Full HD with a 140 degrees view. With WDR and HDR technology, it ensures sharp details and super night vision, keeping your recordings clear day and night. It features a 3.18-inch touchscreen and voice control, letting you lock videos, capture moments, or enable Wi-Fi hands-free. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, you can quickly download footage, track routes, and share recordings on the go. The dashcam supports loop recording, a G-sensor emergency lock that auto-saves crucial footage during impacts or sudden braking, protecting it from being overwritten by loop recording, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Plus, it comes with a 128GB card included. Easy to install and backed by an 18-month warranty, the REDTIGER 4K Dashcam is a reliable, budget-friendly option for everyday driving. The 2nd product on our list is the 70mm A810 4K Dashcam. This dual dash camera is powered by the Sony Star VIVE-IS 2IMX 678 sensor, delivering true 4K video quality with enhanced color accuracy and stability through May Color Vivid Plus technology. Whether in daylight or at night, its HDR Super Night Vision ensures every detail is crystal clear. The A810 isn't just about clarity, it's smart too. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, you can track speed, location, and even preview or download footage instantly through the free app. The ADS system gives real-time alerts for lane departure and front vehicle movement, while 24/7 parking monitoring with AI motion detection keeps your car protected, even when parked. For added security, an optional 4G LTE module lets you access your dashcam remotely and receive instant alerts. Plus, loop recording, a G-sensor, and an emergency lock button ensure that vital footage is always safe. Our top pick is the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam. With front 4K and rear 2K resolution, powered by dual Sony Star VIVE-IS 2 sensors, it captures every detail, day or night. HDR Night Vision 2.0 ensures crisp license plate reading even in low light, while 24/7 parking modes protect your car with auto event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse. Stay hands-free with voice control, manage settings via 5 GHz Wi-Fi and the VIOFO app, and track speed and location with the ultra-precise GPS logger. Plus, loop recording and emergency locks safeguard important footage automatically. Compact, feature-packed, and reliable, the VIOFO A229 Pro is perfect for every driver. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best dashcams you can buy right now. From 4K clarity to 24/7 parking protection and GPS tracking, each one is built to keep you safe on the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, and check the description for the latest prices. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.